Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Big touch from the captain on the side. Justice Blay and Vision running out of that danger. Yeah, Suleimana. And it's a long whip up front looking for their captain, Ru. And it's lovely touched away. Oh, fine, Samidu Akwa. Dabayaya trying to create a bit of space, but he'll decide to go solo. And he's missed out on the ball eventually. As Kingsley appear. Yes, Sanja, and look at the hit. As Intimino couldn't really clear his line. And it's back onto the field again. Kotoko, this could be dangerous. Babayaya. This could be a long hit. Saka, this is it! Kotoko strikes first! Oh my goodness! It's the first hit! And guess who hit Kotoko's first goal? It's the man, Kwame Poku, with his fourth goal. As far as his play for Kotoko is concerned, but with his third Ghana Premier League hit. Well, look at it again. Here's Saka, lovely crossing, so Kwame Poku in that ample of space, and it's just a textbook header. And Kotoko already have jumped into the... Trying to really ward off any threats of this Vision FC attack. Here's Ebenezer, finds Sanja. That's a lost ball. Back by Aya. It's still Kotoko place. Yes, Amidu Akwa. It's sent across. Lose everybody. And it's picked by Saka Dauda. And Vision needs to be careful. Looking for Intimino. That's a lovely touch.
That was a nice cross, but he couldn't find his marker. And I think that Kotoko should have made use of this chance. But still, they are attacking.
Hey, Amidu Akwa. That's a very feeble shot. And it's well collected.
When you look at the defensive setup of Vision FC, I think that they need to talk, they need to collaborate, because the understanding is not at goalkeeper Kamara. I think that his first season with Kumasi Asante Kotoko, when you look at some of his saves now, I think that he has found his composure.
Yes, Amidu Akwa trying to get into the box. Amidu Akwa, and again that is well fired. And fails to find a target.
That was an obvious chance. I thought that he was going to bury this chance and make it two for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, because the way he took his marker on, but his placement, he got it all wrong. To me, I think that Kumasi Asante Kotoko are making more incursions in the final third of Vision FC, but for them to utilize the chance, that has been their problem with Kotoko.
Well, Kotoko really creating a lot of open. This is a big moment, it's a big chance. Amidu Akwa once again arriving. It's coming Poku, but again it's side netted. Has been to really win that game. Dreams. But he had Babayara. It is Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and he'll have to come forward again. Lovely touch. Amidu Akwa plays it in. It is Kwame Poku. Oh my goodness. The venom in that ball taken out from Benjamin Chachute. It's taken away by Samba O'Neill. But I was just wondering what exactly was going through his mind with that kick.
Yes, you know, at times there are certain things that you anticipate, but it doesn't go your way, so you move from there.
There's a lovely strike and it's in. Oh my goodness, it's Sanya. Vision hit back, and the hit back so hard.
That was a beautiful goal. Looking at,
and guess who hit it? It's the man in a 51 jersey, Nana Amwa. The tech division man from Les Power FC have really hit that ground running against the GPL top boys.
Vision FC, after they conceded, I think that they are putting everything together just to get an equalizer. I'm not surprised that they had the equalizer. You know, when you are playing in this kind of games and you get chances and you don't utilize it, that is how you are being punished. And as Kumasi Asante Kotoko have been punished, because looking at the kind of chances that they've squandered, and goalkeeper Kamara, looking at his positioning, was very wrong.
Really failing to touch Kamara. It was a real hit, a real stinger from Nana Amwa. And
a stop play, and I think that he has really done well, but they have to retake the corner kick again. Let's see whether they can also utilize this set piece.
Corner kick brought across. Saka couldn't really meet it well, but it still lingers within the ball. Samba O'Neill has to touch. Back by Aya. Kwadipo couldn't meet it. Lord Amwa. And that's a big run, isn't it? Cuts across, is it? It's and guess who is the poster boy after several attempts? It's Peter Miduakwa with this one, and Kotoko really enjoying this first apartment of the game.
He has really done well. Look at his positioning and the way he was able to outsmart the defenders of Vision FC. That was a brilliant goal from Peter Amidu.
And it again started over from the right. Lord Amwa, and you see left in ample of space is just a touch, and Yamwa does not have the answer to it, and Kotoko back in front.
Jilbonu to Aprantia, Yefena Patrick, or Jilbonu to Peter Amiduakwa, or Jim to Patrick, or Peja Bonachimo, Chanfa Asante Kotoko. Ego Asante Kotoko Atwatana, Chase Etoso, Ayamiensa, and Enyo Kwami Poku. Yes, as usual. Wasanson I said a third goal at the Ama
young players. Confidence and comfort young players and Sano Benino.
A chance, a goal. Nasurabi, Jabi.
That's where they go. That's where that's a boy go.
Asante Kotoko Atwatana at Tosso and Monse. Omo Elko Refinu Samasa.
Legon Cities have also jumped into the lead against Dreams FC and Sakutok. Was proving to reach. We'll talk about Vision FC. They're really missing the presence of their big man, and the man who's really impressed them and have created numerous goal scoring opportunities this season. I'm speaking about their skipper, Emmanuel Che Bafo, who scored 3 goals this season. Vichy is top scorer in this first round of the Ghana Premier League with 3 goals against Mediema, Accra Lions and Legon Cities. Yeah. And I've had the opportunity to keep post in the last 6, 7, 8 games for Kotoko, even when the fans were really on him. He's managed to keep his composure and is now repaying the trust of his